Namaskaram, I am Dr. Padmanabhan. I was initiated to yoga, mantra diksha and karma sannyasa by my Guru Paramahamsa Swami Niranjanananda Saraswati of Bihar School of Yoga with spiritual name Purna Jnanam on the divine day of Mahashivaratri 12th February 2002.
Hari Om. This PPT includes Yoga, Mantra Diksha and Karma Sannyasa initiation, my yoga educational qualifications, yoga teaching experience in universities. Salutation to my Guru Paramahamsa Swami Niranjanananda Saraswati of Bihar School of Yoga. Om Sri Gurave Namaha. I was initiated to yoga, mantra diksha and karma sannyasa with spiritual name Purna Jnanam by my Guru Paramahamsa Swami Niranjanananda Saraswati of Bihar School of Yoga on the divine day of Mahashivaratri 12th March 2002 at Ganga Darshan, Bihar Yoga Bharati. To reach the science of yoga for the well-being of the people worldwide. I have been a yoga teacher, a yoga therapist, yogic counselor, assistant professor of yoga in college and universities for the last 17 years. Still I am actively engaged to teach yoga to the people at all age levels, and my whole life is dedicated and devoted to yoga to promote health and wellness of the public. This is my biodata. And this is the initiation to Karma Sannyasa with spiritual name Purna Jnanam by my Guru Swami Niranjanananda Saraswati, Bihar Yoga Bharati, on Mahashivaratri day, 12th March 2002. My name is enveloped in the colored column. And this is the Diksha Patra. And something about me, my educational qualification, MA Yoga Psychology. It is a 2-year full-time regular and residential postgraduate degree. Was a unique program giving equal importance to yoga psychology and modern psychology in the syllabus from Bihar Yoga Bharati, the world's first yoga university recognized by the University Grants Commission, Government of India. All my teachers were highly qualified in the field of psychology, clinical psychology, modern medicine, philosophy, and yoga. Karpagam University, Tamil Nadu, India awarded PhD in yoga to me. Yoga research paper published in the International Journal is 2. Yoga National Seminars, Workshop, Publication, etc. It is 18. And yoga teaching experience 17 years in universities. And this is the MA Yoga Psychology certificate awarded by Bihar Yoga Bharati. This is the first year MA Psychology mark list, mark sheet. And this is the final year MA Psychology mark sheet. And this is the notification which Bihar Yoga Bharati declared as deemed to be university by University Grants Commission, Government of India. And this is the group photo of all the candidates, students who underwent the course with Swamiji Niranjanananda Saraswati, Bihar Yoga Bharati. This is the group photo of Department of Yoga Psychology, Bihar Yoga Bharati. And this is the PhD Professional Certificate awarded by Karpagam University. The topic was Effect of Integrated Yoga Modules on Psychophysiological and Psychomotor Variables of Elderly Men Living in Old Age Home. This is the original certificate awarded by Karpagam University on the occasion of 9th Convocation Ceremony held on 29 September 2018 at Coimbatore. This is the certificate in which it is stated that the PhD awarded is in accordance with the University Grants Commission minimum standards and procedures for award of PhD degree regulations 2009. This is the certificate issued by Bihar School of Yoga, in which I underwent Yoga Health Management course for all common ailments at Bihar School of Yoga, Munger, with effect from 3rd February to 9th February 2000. This is the first experience certificate, yoga teaching experience as lecturer come head of the department for 3 years for teaching yoga for the students of BA Yoga with Indian Philosophy at Bhaskara College of Fine Arts, affiliated to Kannur University, which is a state university recognized by the University Grants Commission. And this is the second certificate issued by Kannur University, yoga teaching experience for 17 years as yoga instructor for some time. After that, assistant professor of yoga in Kannur University. So during my tenure, we conducted 12 batches of certificate course in yoga and fitness conducted by the Yoga Center Department of Physical Education, Kannur University, in which about 280 students were successfully completed the course. One postgraduate diploma course was also conducted, in which 23 students were successfully completed the course. And this is the photo of certificate course in yoga and fitness 8th batch, Kannur University. And this is the experience certificate, appointment certificate, order of continuation of re-engagement as assistant professor of yoga in Kannur University from April 2018 to March 2019. But on appointment of yoga guest faculty in Central University of Kerala, I joined Department of Yoga Studies, Central University of Kerala from October 2018 onwards. And this is the certificate of service issued by Central University, yoga teaching experience for 2 years as guest faculty in Department of Yoga Studies, which is functioning under the School of Medicine and Public Health,